Smoke filled the skies today over the city of Ramsey, but there's a good reason why crews set fires in this grassy region. Robert Moses went along with crews for the burn today. Robert, what'd you find?
Bill, quite a scene out there. The grasses on Anoka County parkland date back hundreds of years, and it turns out the best way to preserve them is actually to burn them. Do not be alarmed. This is not a wildfire burning out of control.
Now the fire crews know exactly what they're supposed to be doing, what they're supposed to be watching for.
Chopper 5 was over the scene as a crew from Prairie Restorations Incorporated burned about 100 acres of prairie in Ramsey on Tuesday. The controlled burn, which was paid for with a state grant, cost about $3,200. And while the fire might look like it destroyed these fields, it will actually help restore them.
It blackens the soil, so in the spring the soil will be nice and black. The sun will be able to heat it up quicker, which will allow the warm season grasses that maybe not start till May or June normally. They'll get a little jump start and start coming up in early April, early May.
Ramsey's fire chief says the city has had controlled burns before, but never one this big. The area burned is along Highway 10. Bad weather could have blown smoke onto the busy highway and created dangerous driving conditions. But Tuesday's conditions were perfect.
Here we have winds out of the north-northeast. It's blowing away from our busy Highway 10 here. It's blowing away from any residential area. It's a cool enough day that the hot fires let the smoke go straight up in the air, or pretty much straight up in the air. It's just an ideal day for this.
As you can probably see there, today's burn was controlled in every sense of the word. The crew had to get a permit before beginning the burns. The fires were finished before tonight's evening rush hour, so the smoke wouldn't interfere with traffic on Highway 10. Reporting live tonight, Robert Moses, 5 Eyewitness News.